Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel. That's Martisha Sea, artist, and I'm glad to see all of you. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Today, I want to talk a little bit about miniatures, portraits, just a little bit. You can see what I'm creating right now. That small portrait of some person. Just a little bit later, you will see more details and you can find who's remind you that person. Though that's kind of king. I thought to start abstract portrait, but after some things, I understood what I wanted to create. Some kind of cartoon portrait and mix that cartoon portrait with fluid art background. So how you can see, I'm playing with the styles, and I really like the result. It's really interesting. When I started to do that portrait, I has very specific situation in my life, and I met creative burnout. I was demotivated a little bit, probably because I was tired because of my exhibitions, what was in my country, and I understood suddenly what I've totally don't have a power. And I thought where I can find this power, where is my creativity, where is my energy. And of course, I go back to my yoga class. And of course, I go back to my healthy life. And I go back to music. So I found it a big shaking child inside of my soul. The child would need love so much. And suddenly I felt what I wanted to give this love from myself to myself. And I understood what I should to care about this inner child of me, inside of me. And sometimes, I even think what I can feel this small girl, Martisha. She has so many names, so many faces, but all of them, it's still me. I wanted to say, everyone who's feeling this burnout, who's feeling demotivation, who's feel any kind of low energy level, please don't forget to find your inner child. Don't forget to care about your spiritual inner world. And it's very necessary to spoil yourself sometimes. Give yourself candies, I don't know, maybe some ice cream, running with the kite and playing with the wind. And don't forget to create love around yourself. Even when you're feeling so bad, don't forget to create your love around yourself. It's very, very necessary to be happy. If you're interested on content or how to grow your art career, if you're an artist, write me your opinion about that what you see right now on the screen, and please check my other videos. We'll be very curious to know your opinion, and maybe you have something to add. Please write it in the comments. You can find my links to my Instagram, Martisha in the Sea, and welcome to my Etsy shop, Martisha Sea. So, friends, I love you so much, and thank you for that, what you was with me. Don't forget to be happy, and don't forget to be yourself. Bye bye.